Welcome aboard. Hope you enjoy your flight with us. Here are your seats. You can put your carry-on bags into the overhead compartment.
Mr. Jackson is sitting in the window seat. Mrs. Jackson is sitting in the aisle seat. And Jason is sitting in the middle.
Dad, can we change our seats? Or can we switch our seats? I want to sit by the window.
Okay, son.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is your captain speaking. Please fasten your seatbelts because the plane is going to take off soon. Now it's safe to unfasten your seatbelts.
After a few minutes, flight attendant is serving the passengers with foods and drinks.
What would you like for your in-flight meal? We have chicken, rice, and pasta.
We would like chicken and rice, please. Or, we'll have the chicken and rice, please. Note: when ordering food at a restaurant or anywhere else, you should first say A. I like the rest of your sentence, or B. I'll have the rest of your sentence.
Alright, would you like something to drink? Or would you like to drink anything with that?
Yes, I'd have a glass of lemonade, please. Or, I'd like a glass of lemonade, please.
And 2 glasses of water for us, please.
Sure, here you are.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is your captain speaking. We are about to land. Please fasten your seatbelts.
After 15 minutes. Guys, stay here so I can get our bags from the baggage claim.
Essential phrases and vocabularies.
Welcome aboard.
Welcome aboard is used to greet people when they are boarding a plane.
Flight attendant.
Someone who serves passengers on a plane.
Overhead compartment.
A common compartment located above the seats, which is meant to store the luggage of passengers.
Aisle seat.
A seat on a train, plane, etc. that is next to an aisle.
Window seat.
A seat on an airplane that is next to a window.
In-flight meal.
A meal served to passengers on an airplane.
Airline meal trolley or trolley cart.
A small serving cart supplied by flight attendants on an airplane for transporting drinks and foods during a flight.
Baggage claim.
The baggage claim is the area where you collect your baggage at the end of your trip.
Baggage check-in.
An area where bags are delivered to an airline for transportation in the hold of an airplane.